Hello and welcome to Sky World. What we're covering: Russia's defense ministry said it intercepted 5 Ukrainian drones near Moscow Tuesday in what it called a terrorist attack. The Kremlin said Russia and the United States remain in contact on the issue of exchanging prisoners, but that communication must be carried out in complete silence. The remarks followed a visit Monday by the U.S. ambassador to detained U.S. reporter Evan Gershkovich in a Moscow jail. Dozens of people were injured in a Russian attack on a town in the Kharkiv region, while 2 people were killed in an attack on the southern Ukrainian city of Kherson, according to officials. There are no grounds for renewing the UN-brokered Black Sea grain deal, which is set to expire on July 17, the Russian Foreign Ministry said.